Keep your pool crystal clear without the hard work. The Dolphin M600 is an advanced robotic pool cleaner designed to deliver thorough, hassle-free cleaning with intelligent navigation and app control. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Dolphin M600 Robotic Pool Cleaner, swivel, caddy's pole, power supply, caddy's wheels, cartridge filters, cable holder, caddy's base, caddy's handle, and user manual. How to pair. Create your account and check in to receive special offers. Plug in the power supply, place the robot in the pool, and connect it to Wi-Fi using the companion app. Once connected, start the cleaning cycle, customize your robot's settings to match your preferences, and set up voice control for hands-free operation. After setup is complete, you can simply say, "Hi Siri, pick me up," to use the supported voice command. How to use? To use the Dolphin M600 Robotic Pool Cleaner, first plug the power supply into a suitable electrical outlet and connect the floating cable to the cleaner. Gently place the robot into the pool and allow it to sink to the bottom before turning it on. Select a cleaning cycle using the power supply or the mobile app, then let the robot automatically clean the pool floor, walls, and waterline. When the cleaning cycle is complete, use the retrieval mode or lift the cleaner out of the water using the floating cable, then remove and rinse the filter basket before storing the unit.
Maintenance.
To keep your robotic pool cleaner performing at its best, regularly clean the filter system by removing the filter basket, rinsing it thoroughly, and washing each ultrafine filter panel before reassembling them in the correct order. If you notice debris trapped in the impeller, remove it carefully and reassemble the compartment. After cleaning, rinse the entire robot with fresh water. And if the cable is wet, lay it flat for at least 5 hours to dry completely and prevent twisting. LED lights. Smart features? Uses intelligent navigation technology to scan your pool and create an efficient cleaning path for maximum coverage. It minimizes missed spots and unnecessary overlap, delivering a faster and more thorough cleaning performance. Cleans the pool floor, climbs walls, and scrubs the waterline in a single cleaning cycle for complete coverage. Its powerful traction and active brushing remove dirt, algae, and debris to keep your pool sparkling clean. Connect to the MyDolphin Plus app via Wi-Fi to start, stop, schedule, and monitor cleaning from your smartphone. Enjoy convenient remote control and customize cleaning settings anytime, whether you're at home or away. Dual active brushes rotate at high speed to loosen stubborn dirt, algae, and debris from pool surfaces. This powerful scrubbing action enhances cleaning performance, leaving the floor, walls, and waterline spotless. The advanced multi-layer filter captures both large debris and fine particles for exceptionally clean, clear pool water. Its top-loading filter basket is easy to remove, rinse, and reinstall, making routine maintenance quick and hassle-free. The Easy Lift function brings the robot to the waterline for quick and effortless retrieval after each cleaning cycle. Its lightweight design and top access filter make handling, cleaning, and maintenance simple and convenient. Specifications.
FAQs. Safety precautions.
That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Dolphin M600 Robotic Pool Cleaner. See you at the next one.